Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishek. In this video I am talking about the upcoming smartphone launching in India is the OPPO Find X. Let's take a look, so shall we? The OPPO Find X marks the return of the OPPO's flagship Find series on June 19 in a special event in Paris, and we know it will be a phone with all the stops pulled out. It will feature a nearly bezel-free display, a 5x zoom camera, OPPO's Oak fast charging, and the best cheapest Qualcomm has to offer Snapdragon 845. The 5x dual camera zoom will consist of one regular and one telephoto camera, with the latter having a periscope structure with a prism that will offer 3x optical zoom and an additional 2x software enhanced zoom to produce the claimed 5x magnification. OPPO claims that the camera module is only 5.7 mm thick, so the OPPO Find X will not have a huge camera hump on its back. The OPPO Find X will feature OPPO Super VOOC charging, which can top up a 2500 mAh battery in just 15 minutes. There's little over a week until June 19, and we are sure we will see more teaser from OPPO for the upcoming Find X. That what we know so far is that it will house a huge 6.4-inch AMOLED display, a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and 20 plus 16 megapixel dual camera, and a 3645 mAh battery. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow CapsLucky on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. Keep watching all the videos and wait for the next best tech videos.